Hello and welcome to another unboxing video of controversial YouTube channel. This is Ayman R. Khan and today I'll be unboxing something quite special, something that is probably unknown to a lot of people. Yes, I'm talking about DESH ZR-2015 one-band AM radio set. This is not just any other product as it attaches a sentimental value. Why, you ask? Because it's made in Bangladesh. So let's just start the unboxing real quick. Before I start, I must clear it out that this is not a sponsored video. I like to call myself a promoter of Bangladeshi digital devices manufactured here. So here is the black color variant of the DESH ZR-2015 unit. The volume rocker and the tuner is on the side and there is a battery housing at the back. There is also an earphone jack at the side and it looks quite premium for the price. Once you buy your unit, always be sure to check the Zaman Radio Company logo at the back. Here's our battery and let's power it up. Sadly, city dwellers don't buy radio sets anymore because everything can be found in their smartphones. However, radio sets like this has a great demand in the rural areas of Bangladesh. People living in the villages largely depend on radio sets for entertainment, news, current affairs every single day of their lives. As I surfed through channels, I got a bit nostalgic, thinking about my childhood when my father used to use a similar radio like this.
Of HSC and its equivalent evaluations by Z28 January next. The approval was given.
So that was all for today. And subscribe to this channel in order to find updates of new Bangladeshi digital devices. So stay tuned and keep it Deshi.